just got into Taipei last night at about 8 o'clock. So this is my first day out exploring the city. In this video, I'm just going to share some of my initial thoughts about Taipei. We'll also take a little stroll through Ximen. We'll grab a bubble tea. Then I'm going to head to Lungshan Temple, check that out. And if there's time, I'll head by the Botanical Gardens. To be honest, I wasn't super excited about coming here. Not sure why exactly. I love traveling in this region. I guess I just never really thought much about Taiwan. It's not a huge tourist destination. I really only came here because the flight was so cheap. I paid about $400 from Los Angeles to Taipei. That was the cheapest ticket I could find across the Pacific. I also came here because I wanted to visit someplace new. Lately, I've been going back to some of the same places I've been multiple times. So it's always nice to visit a new country. Believe it or not, this is my first time trying bubble tea. I don't know why, I've just never gotten around to trying one. They're really popular where I live. Yeah, I like it. It's got kind of a nice contrast between the warm balls, and the cold milk. The tapioca balls have kind of a caramel flavor, which I like. This is probably the most touristy bubble tea shop in the whole city. So this was a bit pricey. It was $120 or around $4 US. I guess that's not too bad really. This would probably cost like twice that back home. Right now I'm heading to Lungshan Temple. This is a Buddhist and Taoist temple that was built in 1738 by Chinese settlers. It was originally used as a place of worship and a gathering place. This temple has been destroyed and rebuilt multiple times. It's been destroyed in fires and earthquakes. It was also bombed by the US military during World War II because the Japanese were hiding weapons there. It seems like most of the temples in this region are not original. That was one thing that surprised me when I was traveling in Japan a couple of years ago. Pretty much every temple I visited had been rebuilt in modern times. It's kind of disappointing that you're basically looking at a modern reconstruction, not the original temple. I doubt there are very many original parts remaining. And also, who knows how accurate it is to the original design. I'm sure it's close, but it can't be exactly the same. At the same time, it's nice that it was rebuilt. If it wasn't, there would probably be some big glass building there instead. I'm glad the history is preserved, even if it's not completely original. I think part of what appeals to me about these big East Asian cities, like Taipei, is safety. It's so nice knowing that I can just wander around here with my camera out, my phone out. I don't have to worry about getting mugged or anything like that. Pretty much any time of day or night. So far I'm finding Taiwan to be pretty affordable. I'm staying in a budget hotel for about 18 bucks a night. It's a tiny room, almost like a prison cell, with a shared bathroom, but really cold AC. I bet you could get a decent hotel room for 40 or 50 bucks a night, and a bed in a hostel dorm probably goes for $10 or $15 a night. You could get a decent meal for like 3 to 5 bucks. I would say Taiwan is slightly more expensive than places like Japan or South Korea, and slightly cheaper than places like Thailand or the Philippines. It's also a really dense city. There's probably like 150 restaurants within 10 minutes of my hotel. There's good public transportation, lots of stops, easy to get around. It's also pretty walkable. So far, I've just been wandering around all morning. I would say Taipei feels a bit less touristy than other cities in the region. I've seen some tourists, but it's not like walking around Tokyo during the summer. Or Bangkok. Let's check out the Botanical Garden. Pretty cool how it's laid out in different sections. This is the cactus section. I was just in the palm section. It's like a little path through every area here, with different types of plants, and then main path leading through the whole park. Botanical Gardens is free to visit. I just walked right in. Seems like the attractions here are pretty affordable or free. Lungshan Temple was free. I think one of the more expensive attractions I'm gonna visit is the National Palace Museum, which is like $10 or $15. So, pretty reasonable place to visit. Caution, falling leaves. Gotta be careful, you guys. It's a really convenient place to travel. I didn't need a visa or really to arrange anything in advance. The trip from the airport to the city cost about, what was it, 160 Taiwan new dollars. That's about $5. First thing that struck me when I got off the plane was the heat and humidity. I guess I knew it was going to be hot, but I didn't really associate Taiwan with the tropics. But it's definitely the tropics. It's like 90 degrees out and probably 90% humidity. I think this is just the beginning of rainy season. So I'm expecting a lot of rain. Today is pretty nice though. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. It's getting pretty hot and I think I've got a little bit of a sunburn going, so I'm gonna head back to my hotel and get some AC. In the next video, we'll check out the night markets. I'm gonna head there tonight, so be sure to tune in for that. like and subscribe if you haven't already. That'll help me out. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.